I am at the South Milwaukee Amateur Radio Club Swap Meet 2026, and this is the biggest radio swap meet in the Milwaukee area during the year. Look forward to it. I think it's the second or third weekend of July every year. It's huge, and there's always something, well, almost always, something that I go home with. It might be an old PA, it might be some tubes, you never know. Getting ready to walk around, I got my coffee. So let's give this year's Swap Fest, also known as the WI9SM Swap Fest. Let's go give it a look, see if we can spend some money. Since this is a ham radio club swap meet, you can expect to find a lot of that kind of gear here. I'm looking for tube-related gear, either audio or guitar, and anything else I can find. There's a little bit of everything for everybody here. You're going to see old radios, TVs, tube testers, and when I say old radios, I mean a lot of old radios. That Stako Variac was hard to walk away from. Again, what did I say about old radios, shortwaves, and broadcast? Oh, there's some old Ampex reel-to-reel. I had nightmares about that thing. How about some phones? Or some radios? No, really, how about some phones? Weird vacuum tubes. Aren't they all weird? All right, here's more what we're looking for. Some old chassis, audio stuff, tubes, transformers. Oh, how about some tube testers? Anyone? Old scopes. Yeah, there we go. Now we need some tubes. Oh, how about some bits and bobs? Yeah, capacitors. There we go. There's got to be something somebody needs. Oh, it wouldn't be anything without cooking. I mean, come on. How about some smokers? Or an erector set? Well, I wish I had something to show you, but I'm getting away from here without anything. It took a lot of self-restraint today. I don't think some people are so lucky. They're going out with a lot of stuff. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this South Milwaukee Amateur Radio Swap Meet. It'll happen again next year in July 2027. So hopefully we'll be here. Till then, everybody have fun and build something.